it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm in my scripture journal and I'm going to be using this Picnic Time sticker book, and I will link everything that I can find in the description box below just in case you're interested. And I also have affiliate links from like Journal Say, Doodle Diaries, different places like that. And if you choose to shop there, I would appreciate it if you would use my affiliate links. It would help me so much to be able to buy more stickers and make videos for you, okay? So, and then I'm going to be using this because I thought these are just scriptures from the Bible and they have it in all this. So I thought that would be nice. I'm going to be using that and some paper that I already had. Naturally, my gyro cut, scissors, and my tape runner, okay? So, in case you missed it, this is what we did last week. I love it. And I'm going to put this to hold that down. Now, I was thinking, and I don't know how far I'm going to do this. I've had this paper for a long time. I want to put that house there. And then in this Picnic Time book, I just love this book. I thought this would be really pretty maybe to put at the bottom. And I'm wanting to put a girl on there, so let's just see what we actually end up doing, okay? So I think I'm going to put this about right here. Is that where it came to? I think I'm actually going to get me another one of these books. I love them that much. I could do that, but I want this one, I'm pretty sure. Let me just make sure. I've already used this book, and like I said, I love it. Has the prettiest scenery. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put this on the 5th line. So I'm going to get my tape runner out. You could use glue if you wanted. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to have to put that all the way up there. I was trying not to put it up too far in case. I could just put it on my book, and then I wouldn't have to worry about it. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put that. That will also help me to stay relatively level, okay? So I like that. Oh, I almost didn't go up too far. Okay, then I'm going to get these scissors, because sometimes I like the longer ones. But I think when I get to that little edge, I'm going to switch to these because these are great at getting in and snipping little areas, okay? Isn't that pretty? And then I can keep this, okay? So, put my lid back on this. Then, like I said, I'm going to go in here. You could put a fence up. You could do a lot with this. But I'm just looking for that page again. There's so many beautiful girls in here. It was hard to decide. Okay, I think I'm going to do this. And how far do I need this to go? Well, I'll just have to cut off what I don't want. Okay. Now, do I want the flowers more, or do I want... Well, the bench and the flowers will go. So I'm going to go about right here and hope and pray that I get it straight. Is that not cute? I love that. That's so pretty, okay? Now, I could also put... I want to put a girl. I could put, there's several to pick from, but I don't really want to put her. I don't think she would work. I don't think she would work. Here's this one. I could put her right there. I don't know. Do I want to use her? Or I wonder if I could just kind of put her right there. All right, let's see. I can always... She's sitting on a chair, and that, I wonder, is that wide enough to cover? Let's just look. I don't know. Oh, this is a clear sticker. I'd have to put it on white. Some of these are clear stickers, and some are on the white paper. Let me get some white paper. All right, I have some white paper here, and I was thinking I could either do her. Well, I could do her, but I don't think I want to do her. It's probably her or her. Let's just look. Because these are clear stickers, I need to put them on. See, I could just hold this and see. That would definitely almost cover. I'm still going to put her on a piece of paper. And then I'm going to put her on a piece of paper. I think she wins. Hands down, I think she wins. And I'll just cut her and put her in that book. But anyway, I'm going to get my gyro cut out. Okay, now I'm just going to go around with my gyro cut. Okay. All right, and then I just have a few little fuzzies right here. All right. This will be perfect, okay? So I'm going to get my glue out. You could use wet glue if you didn't want to use a tape runner. I just never quite know if it'll warp my paper. I think that's so pretty. That really is nice. Okay, then we have this quote, "This is the day which the Lord hath made." Psalm 118:24. Let us be glad and rejoice in it, okay? And this almost looks like a cloud to me, and I'm going to put it right here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here is my scripture journal for this week. I really love how this one turned out. This is maybe the house where she lives. She's in the garden that's in front of the house, and she just is thinking about all the blessings that Jesus has given her. This is the day which the Lord hath made. Let us be glad and rejoice in it. I hope you enjoyed the scripture journal with me. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.